Hey guys, I'm Jackie Tris. I'm the test kitchen manager here at Tasty New York, and today we're going to be making some Mexican Piggy Gingerbread cookies, also known as Marranitos De Piloncillo. So here we have dark brown sugar, but if you're able to find piloncillo and you want to use it, this is it. So piloncillo is basically hardened cane juice. It's sugar in its purest form. So something to make your life so much easier is to use a serrated knife. Piloncillo is really hard, and a serrated knife just helps cut easier. My grandmother used to make them for holidays or special occasions when there wasn't money to buy a cake or desserts. These cookies are relatively inexpensive in Mexico because piloncillo is actually cheaper than regular sugar. So this cookie is very popular in Mexico. So marranitos and cochinitos just basically translates to piggies. So many American recipes call these Mexican gingerbread piggies, but there's no ginger in the dough. So what I really love about this cookie is that it's so forgiving. It's very hard to mess up, and it takes a few simple ingredients to make something super delicious. So there aren't many Mexican bakeries here in New York, and that's why my mom asked my grandma for this recipe, so we would be able to bring back a little piece of our culture here into the city. She used to make them with whatever she had around, so that's why a lot of recipes call for more spices. We usually only had cinnamon, so that's what we used, and she used to have a little fruit stand, so that's why we added orange zest, just to give it that extra zing. But honestly, I feel like you can learn a lot from people through their food, because at the end of the day, food is what connects us all. So if you don't have a Piggy cookie cutter, that's okay. Don't worry. You can use whatever cookie cutter you have. It will be less traditional, but you will still have delicious cookies, and that's what matters. Adding an egg wash just gives your cookies a beautiful shiny gloss in the end. It's also gonna help them brown a little better. These cookies are just a crowd pleaser. The edges are super crunchy, and then you get to the middle and it's just soft. Honestly, it's the best of both worlds. You can give them away to your friends and family, and they will love you forever.
Oh, yes!